Daddy is with you. Do you know how
There's smoke from the sunlight.
they let us take our shoes and some people they can socks off.
It's just like the tar hitting the sunlight. It doesn't smell like burning or anything. Where is that steam coming from? I don't know. What's it coming from? The tree? It looks like there's a black guy. Don't touch it.
Wait, what is that black?
It could just be the sun's hitting the black, making it warm. And it's coming off there as steam.
Wait, that black is moss. See? Which side is that? Which side is that? Wait, I find the tent! Daddy, this is moss.
In it, there's water like dripping down the
Daddy,
tree.
and this is moss. This is moss.
This is not moss.
It is, because moss grows always on one side of a tree, and the other side, Daddy, is moss.